Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel Dezco Morgan. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on useful tech tutorials. Today, I'm going to show you how to download and install Google Chrome on a Windows 10 PC. Whether you're upgrading from another browser or setting up a new device, this guide will ensure you get Chrome up and running smoothly. So let's get started!
1. Opening Microsoft Edge. First, open the default browser that comes with Windows 10, which is Microsoft Edge. You can find it by clicking on the Start menu and typing Edge. Once it appears, click to open it. 2. Searching for Google Chrome. Now, in the search bar at the top, type Google Chrome Download and press Enter. Look for the official Google Chrome website, which should be the first result. The URL should start with https://www.google.com/chrome/. Make sure you're on the official website to avoid downloading any fake versions.
3. Downloading Chrome. Once you're on the Chrome website, click the blue button that says Download Chrome. A new page will open, and Chrome will automatically detect your operating system. Click Accept and Install to begin downloading the Chrome installer. You'll see the file downloading at the bottom of the Edge browser. Once it's done, click on it to start the installation process. Installing Chrome. When you click on the downloaded file, Windows might ask you if you want to allow this app to make changes to your device. Click Yes to proceed. Switch to Installation window. Now the installation process will begin. Google Chrome will automatically install itself without needing any additional steps from you. The process should take only a few minutes depending on your PC's speed.
5. Setting Chrome as default browser. Once Chrome is installed, open it. A pop-up may appear asking if you want to make Chrome your default browser. If you prefer using Chrome instead of Microsoft Edge, click Set as Default. Switch to Windows Default Apps Settings. If the pop-up doesn't appear, you can manually set Chrome as your default browser by going to Settings, Apps, Default Apps. Scroll down to Web Browser, click on it, and select Google Chrome from the list. 6. Signing into Google Chrome. To get the most out of Chrome, consider signing in with your Google account. Click on the profile icon in the top right corner, select Sign in to Chrome, and enter your Google credentials. This will sync your bookmarks, history, and settings across all your devices. 7. Customizing Google Chrome. Now that Chrome is installed, let's customize it a bit. Click on the 3 dots in the top right corner and go to Settings. Here, you can change your homepage, privacy settings, and even choose a theme to personalize your browser. Switch to Chrome theme settings. You can also visit the Chrome webstore to install extensions that improve your browsing experience. For example, you can add an ad blocker, a password manager, or a dark mode extension. Add Final Check and Browsing Test. Let's do a quick test. Open a new tab and type in a website like youtube.com and press Enter. If the page loads correctly, congratulations, you've successfully installed Google Chrome on your Windows 10 PC. Camera switches back to host. And that's it, guys. Now you have Google Chrome installed and ready to go. Enjoy faster browsing, better security, and seamless syncing across your devices. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment below and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Before you go, let me know in the comments, what's your favorite Chrome extension? I'd love to hear your recommendations. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
Google Chrome is one of the most popular web browsers available today, known for its speed, simplicity, and security. If you're using a Windows 10 PC, downloading and installing Chrome is a straightforward process. This guide will walk you through each step to ensure a smooth installation and proper functionality. To begin, you need to download the Chrome installation file from the official Google website. Open your current web browser, such as Microsoft Edge, and visit https://www.google.com Chrome. This is the safest way to obtain the latest version of Chrome. Once you're on the Chrome download page, click on the Download Chrome button. Google may automatically detect your operating system and provide the correct version for Windows 10. If prompted, choose the appropriate version and proceed with the download. After clicking the download button, your browser will begin downloading the Chrome setup file. Depending on your internet speed, this process should take only a few seconds to a minute. Once the file is downloaded, locate it in your default downloads folder. Double-click the downloaded file, usually named Chrome Setup.exe, to start the installation process. A pop-up window may appear asking for permission to make changes to your device. Click Yes to allow the installation to proceed. The Chrome installer will now download the necessary files and install the browser onto your Windows 10 PC. This step requires an internet connection. The installation process is typically fast and should be completed within a few minutes. Once the installation is finished, Chrome will open automatically. If it does not open, you can manually launch it by searching for Google Chrome in the Windows Start menu and clicking on the application. At the first launch, Chrome may prompt you to sign in with your Google account. This step is optional, but signing in allows you to sync your bookmarks, history, and extensions across multiple devices. To set Chrome as your default browser, click on the three-dot menu in the top right corner. Go to Settings, then Default Browser, and click Make Default. You may also need to go to Windows 10 settings to confirm this change. Chrome provides a clean and minimalistic interface, allowing users to browse the web efficiently. The Omnibox, which serves as both the search bar and address bar, helps in quickly finding information or navigating to specific websites.
To enhance your browsing experience, Chrome supports extensions available in the Chrome Web Store. You can install various extensions such as ad blockers, password managers, and productivity tools to customize your experience. Security is one of Chrome's strong points. It comes with built-in protection against phishing and malware, as well as automatic updates that ensure you always have the latest security patches. If you encounter issues with Chrome not working properly after installation, try restarting your computer. Additionally, check for Windows updates that might affect browser performance. Sometimes Chrome may crash or fail to open. In such cases, you can try reinstalling the browser by uninstalling it first from the Windows settings under Apps and Features, and then downloading it again from the official website. To keep Chrome running smoothly, it is advisable to clear cache and cookies regularly. This can be done by going to Settings, selecting Privacy and Security, then Clear Browsing Data. Chrome also allows you to customize your browsing experience with themes. You can change the appearance of your browser by going to the Chrome Web Store and selecting a theme that suits your preference. For users who prefer dark mode, Chrome provides an option to enable it. Go to Settings, select Appearance, and toggle on dark mode to reduce eye strain, especially in low-light environments. If you need further assistance with Chrome, Google provides extensive support and help articles on their official website. You can also seek help from online forums or the Google Chrome Help Center. Overall, installing Chrome on Windows 10 is a simple process that takes only a few minutes. With its speed, security features, and customization options, it is a great choice for anyone looking for a reliable web browsing experience. Now that you have installed Chrome, you can explore its features and optimize its settings to suit your needs. Happy browsing!